bits and pieces that you get, you know, fairly recently.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you find along the way.
So yeah, it's just a little exercise and fun for us, you know.
Love the key ring, mate.
Yeah, well, that was very big up to be able to have a bit of a moment one day.
And you made the steering wheel, yeah?
Yeah, mate, that's just yep, all the things that you're not allowed to do in a road car. So
yeah, that's what I like.
Made out a bit of. Got my mate roll it up and put some holes in it.
Yeah, tube, mate. Probably stronger than a road car anyway. Good stuff, man. And is that handbrake functional?
Yep, it is. It just operates the rear brake, and you can lock the, you know, if you're parking at someone, just put that on. But it's just more for a bit of a steampunk theme.
Yeah, that's right, man. Yeah. No, that's cool.
Something out of Chitty Bang Bang.
That's right. How do you find the rear radiator setup?
Yeah, mate, it's been fantastic. We have not had an issue from day one with it.
Yeah, right. And it's just ducted from underneath, yeah?
No, it just, yeah, it is. There's no ducting. It's just come through the back, and we've got a pull fan through it on the outside of it. It's worked brilliantly.
Okay, so it looks like we've got Graem driving the Buick 26 car.
It's on fire. It was on fire the way that Dad was on.
Okay. very much, man. You guys have a metric shit ton of fun in these, don't you? Gave it a full sand, brother.
Get that on good.
Oh, I did, mate. I'm still getting it. Did you get that? Look at this guy's face. Smile from ear to ear. My God, that was unreal. So what did you do? You blew a hose.
Yeah. I don't know what the fun I've never seen that like that before.
My God, man. That's the whole side out of that. Oh man, you drove the shit out of that, mate. That's unreal. That's unreal. Yeah, you had a flame coming out the side. I got it.
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it? No. No, well you wouldn't have, would you? Yeah. It's unreal. Hey,
Having you alongside me was good because I had something to lean into.
I'm sorry, mate. I thought I don't want to get him. I'm trying to hold my big frame over.
Oh, it was good. It's comforting actually.
That was an absolute unreal. You sold me, man. I'm going to.
We'll see you up here next time.
Yeah,
with
for
the,
sure,
with the
man.
Beetle.
For sure. Yeah, I'm pulling that 4K out. I'll put a V8. Yeah, that's unreal.
Yeah, it's
Unreal.
budget, like you can get into something like this for $4,000 or $5,000.
Exactly.
You know,
Yeah.
Just sort of hop in it.
Yeah.
Drive it,
I spoke with
nice fun you can have with your pants on.
oh man, you gave that a cent.
The side of your motor.
Mate. No, thanks, mate.
How well it cleaned the side of your motor. Steve Lee.
Mate. Did you give that a bit more grief when I'm in the car? Did you? You gave it a bit more? Jeez, man, that was unreal. How did it get the name?
That's what his mum used to call him.
Yeah.